So this is the AWS mock interview day 4. We have already completed 3 mock interviews on AWS. If anyone missed that mock interview, whoever watching the YouTube, you can go and check out that 3 mock interviews. Go to playlist section. There you can find out AWS interview question and answers. And please like this video. If I get at least 25 likes, we are going to continue this mock interview. Okay, and I'm audible, right? Is there any background voice from my side? Everything is okay, right?
Now you are audible.
Thank you so much. So, shall we start our mock?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, hi Prem. Please introduce yourself. Don't reveal about your real experience.
Sorry?
Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, this is Prem Sagar. I'm working in Genpact. I'm from Chennai. Basically, I'm from Velu district. Yeah, I did my BTech in Pest University. That's all.
Okay, your total experience?
I have to almost 1.8 years experience.
Okay. So yeah, whenever anyone asks you, right, you no need to mention about your graduation.
Okay.
As you have experience, you can mention your total experience. First, you need to point out your hi, this is Prem. I have total so and so experience. I'm working on so and so company. Right, I'm
Okay.
expert on these tools. I worked on these tools. Right, this is my roles and responsibilities. And
Okay.
thank you for the opportunity. Right, I've done
Okay.
like this. If you end it like this, right, then the opposite person will get to know. Okay, he has introduced, and in the last you already mentioning that I am done. That's it. That's all. Then he will get to know. Okay, he has completed this introduction part.
Okay.
It's okay. In the beginning, we don't know, but we need to learn.
Yeah, okay.
So yeah, once after 1 month, right, you need to participate in the mock interviews so
Okay.
that you will have that confidence. In the real interviews, you will perform well if you attend the mock interviews because you will get to know how to
Yeah.
talk and all, how to communicate.
Okay.
Not now you no need to attend, but you just participate. You will get to know how
Okay.
people are
Okay.
answering.
I'll just participate and I'll just gather how they are like doing the interview preparation and
Yes.
interacting. Yeah. I'll do.
Oh, thank you so much. And it was wonderful. I'm not telling you you are not perfect. You are perfect. Whatever you said, you are right. But don't tell, reveal about your graduation. If you are a fresher, right, fresher doesn't have anything to tell. So what
Okay.
they will tell about the graduation. Now we are experienced candidates. We are professionals. We should
Okay.
not go back again. We need to mention our experience and our skill set. Highlight
Mm.
your skills. At the end, mention thank you so much. That's all. Or I'm done. Simple. You need to mention whatever you are comfortable. You can mention that so that opposite person will get to know you have completed.
Okay.
Yeah. Sunil, please introduce yourself.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you, Prem Sagar. You can mute yourself.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Sunil.
Okay.
Uh, I'm from Bagalkot, and I have a 3 years of experience in AWS and Devops.
Okay.
So then the script you have for me.
Yeah. Try it. Try it. No need to worry. Whatever you know, right, you can mention. Like you have 3 years experience. In which tools you have worked?
Version control system. There is a Git and the
Okay.
continuous integration. There is a Jenkins and
Okay.
configuration management, Ansible,
Okay.
containerization, Docker and Kubernetes, and monitoring tools, Grafana, infrastructure as a tool as a Terraform. I work with these tools.
Super. So you have experience on all these tools, right?
Yes.
Super. That's great. You have total 3 years experience and you're working on these tools.
Yeah.
Great. Do you have experience in AWS?
Yes. Yes. I have experience.
Okay. How much experience you have in AWS?
Same 3 years. AWS and DevOps. Actually, I worked on AWS and DevOps.
Super. So this interview will majorly focus on AWS. Previously we have covered DevOps. Now the major focus will be on the AWS. Which services you have experience in AWS? In AWS there are multiple services, right?
Yeah,
What are the services you know?
I know the EC2, S3, auto scaling.
Okay, you know the EC2, you know S3 bucket. Okay, auto scaling will comes under EC2 itself. Okay,
yeah,
you should not mention separately. Then they will get to know. Okay, you don't know,
about the
right?
service where
In the
those
EC2 itself, if you go to some section, there you will find it out. Auto scaling, right?
yeah, which
It's
is
okay.
considered in
Next time I will show you, right? Tomorrow, not Monday, whenever we join the class, just remind me
yes.
where is auto scaling was present. I will show you because we will not monitor. Obviously, anyway, I too will not monitor.
Cloud Watch.
Yeah. So thank you so much for Sunil for participating. Right, I'm impressed.
Thanks.
Before compared to previous mock interview, you have improved in this mock interview. In
Thank
the
you so
next
much for
mock interview, definitely you will like speak more and definitely slow like that you will improve. So in next by this weekend, by this next week, right? You
yes.
will become more professional. I will promise that. For
Thank
that, you need to take inputs and you need to prepare daily.
thank you so much, sir. I will
So
work on
next
that.
next week you need to update your profile. If you updated your profile, well and good. Try applying for interviews.
Yes.
Simultaneously attend mocks. Okay, why I said you to keep 5 years? Keep 5 years. I will be there for you, your guidance. Okay, you no need to worry.
Okay.
Okay, depending upon your performance, I will give you some inputs.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So now let's give a chance for Anicity Power Talks. Let let him introduce yourself. You just monitor how he is performing. Accordingly, you learn from him. Okay. Yeah, hi Anicity. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, giving this wonderful opportunity with me. And myself, my name is Venkatesh. I'm from Hyderabad. I have 5 years of experience as AWS plus DevOps engineer. Daily, my roles and responsibility, we have check monitoring the application and Kubernetes pods and monitoring Grafana and Prometheus. What is health is checking the web application. We have to monitoring everything there.
Okay. So, are you perfect in monitoring part, Prometheus and Grafana? Uh, uh,
Yeah.
you are expert in that?
Yes.
Okay. Like how you have set up this monitoring?
Yeah, we set up in the monitoring from it's on Kubernetes.
Okay. How you have set up the Prometheus?
Prometheus also we have to script on input on Linux.
Okay. Why I'm
We
asking
create.
you, right? In the interview, whenever you introduce yourself, right? You need to mention the tools which you are perfect.
Yes,
In the
yes.
starting itself, if you tell I'm working on monitoring, they will treat you as a SRE engineer. As you mentioned, monitoring part, definitely they are going to ask you on that. So it
Okay,
should be better. We should consider the tools which is very easy, so that you can able to answer that questions whenever they rise.
okay,
I will recommend you to keep monitoring part at the end.
okay. It's okay. I understand.
Yeah, you said you will work on monitoring, and you said Kubernetes ports.
Yes.
What Kubernetes ports? You should not tell that. You need to tell that I'm working on the orchestration tool called as Kubernetes. We are managing
Okay,
containers using Kubernetes.
okay.
Okay, shall we start? Okay, anyway, this is the major focus will be AWS. So next time your introduction should be focus should be on the AWS. In the DevOps, your focus should be as a DevOps engineer. In AWS, your focus should be as a
AWS.
AWS admin or AWS architect. Okay, because
Yes.
you are preparing for both. Or you can tell AWS, like how Sunil said, AWS DevOps engineer. You can mention that, but you need to highlight AWS more.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Your 90% you should focus on DevOps mock interview itself, but AWS will be a secondary for you, because in AWS on every service they are asking some questions, so it will help you. That's the reason I'm conducting AWS as separate.
Yes.
Okay, so shall we start the mock?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will share my screen. Just a moment.
Yeah. Hello. Come on.
Okay, I'm back. I will share my screen. You can able to see my screen, right? Can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, first question will be, how do you enable and use detailed monitoring for an EC2 instance? If you know, try to
Uh,
answer. If you don't know, try. Okay, even
uh,
though if it is mistake, it's okay. You need to perform,
uh,
because your communication will improve. If you
yes.
speak more, your communication will improve. Obviously, then automatically in the real interview you will perform well. If you don't speak in the mock, it's very difficult. Okay, it's okay. I've told you EC2 instance. You know
Once,
about EC2 instance. I'm
once
telling about
create a
monitoring.
EC2 instance, can I?
Okay.
Once
Yes.
create a EC2 instance, we will get a one monitoring tool, which is the Cloud Watch. Uh,
Yes.
then there we have to enable the monitoring.
Super. It's
Yeah.
okay. You have tried it.
Yes.
So whatever the answer, we can check later. But whatever you said, I'm not telling you are wrong. You are right. Okay, in the CloudWatch itself, we will going to monitor. You
Yeah,
are
we
right.
can monitor there how many days we want to take a backup. I don't know whether it will take or not.
As we are, uh, and you should not, your focus will should not shift to backup, because we are discussing about monitoring. If you tell about backup, right, then the interviewer will shift to backup. Okay, what you have done? How many times you have taken the backup? How you have taken the backup? What are the steps you will do? Why you have taken backup? So okay, they will ask like this. We should not give him a chance. You are getting?
Yes, sir.
Whatever he is asking, we should focus on that. We should not take another topic into this. If you don't know about the topic, he will play with you. There will be some people who will play with people's emotions. They will demotivate people. Okay, because they don't want, and they are already not happy with their job, and they don't want others to come into the software industry. There will be some sadist people will be there.
Yes.
Okay, so don't take any interview.
Because I have to stick on only one. What they are
Yes.
asking the questions, I have to stick on that.
Yeah, and
Thank
you should be short and sweet. You need to complete the question in within 2 to 3 minutes. Not, you should not take lengthy. Okay, if you
you. Yeah.
take it, they will feel bored.
Yes.
So do you know what is an EC2 placement group and their type of EC2 placement groups? This is the new topic. I know no one will know about this, but it's okay. If you know, try to answer it. If you don't know, like you can mention, no, I didn't get a chance about it. I need to explore. You can mention this one as well, so that people will impress, right?
Yes.
Exactly, I'm not aware about it. I need to explore on it. You can mention like this as well, so that you will communication will improve. Whenever I ask anything, try to tell this. Okay?
Okay.
Now tell me whatever I said.
Now you said that one only.
Yes, yes, same. If you don't know, what you will tell.
Actually, this is a new concept. I will work on this one.
Super. It's okay. How do you attach an EBS volume to a running EC2 instance?
Uh, first we have to connect the EC2 console, log into the EC2 console. Then after that, once we connect the EC2, we have to stop the EC2 instance. Then we have to stop the EC2 instance. Then after that, we'll take up the instance type. Whatever we have to take that instance type, we can take, and after that we can start the instance.
Why you are changing the instance type? I've
Because
I've asked you to attach a EBS volume, but you are telling you will change your EC2 instance type. So whenever ask question, right, you need to concentrate. What is the question they are asking? What you need to answer. You are telling how to change an EC2 instance type. But the question was how to attach a EBS volume. Yes, it's okay. Right now in the mock interview you are doing mistake. In the real interview you will never do this mistake. Not only you, right? Previously I said, right, he will going to participate today, but his family member has expired. For that reason he didn't participate. He just called me and he has intimated about this. Okay, but he will join because he cracked a job with my mock interviews. Obviously he will join our mock interview, but before that you need to be in a position to ask some questions to him. Okay,
okay.
if you don't talk with me, how you will talk with him? Right now he got a job in one of the big MNC because he has work hard. I've just helped him by taking mock interviews, but at the end he only performed, right? He only attended interviews. He only Everything depends upon you, not me. Okay, you are a actor, I am a director. Credit will goes to actor or a director? Only actor, right?
Yes.
So what are the benefits of using EFS, Elastic File System, with EC2 instances? Same. Here I have asked you how you will attach volume, EBS volume. There in volumes there are two types, EBS and EFS. Now I'm asking what is the benefits of using EFS with EC2 instances rather than EBS. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are.
At least you need to, I said, if you don't know what you need to do. If you know, try to answer it. If you don't know what I said,
Pass.
no. Pass is for last time. Now I've increased. What I said, Sunil?
We need to work on this because this is a new. Uh,
Actually, I'm not aware of it. I need to
Actually, I am
work
not
on
aware
it.
of it. I will work on this.
Super. You can mention that. You need to communicate. That's what telling. I will not. I am just an director. You need to act. If you don't act, it will not benefit for you. Okay? I am just asking questions. If you are not participating, if you are not telling anything, right? It's waste. So what is an EC2 spot fleet? How does it optimize costs?
Yeah, we optimize the cost. We, if you not servers, we enable that. Unless useless servers, we put in, and which server is ready to work, and we utilize that.
Super. It's okay, even though if it is wrong, you are participating. I just
Yes,
want
I'm
that.
trying.
You need
Yes,
to
I'm trying
try.
that.
You need to try. Even though if it's wrong, it's okay. By communicating right, you will improve automatically. Slowly, it's okay. You will speak whatever rubbish you speak. It's okay. But next time, you will not do that.
Yes, yes. Compulsory. The interview are asking right now is a cost optimization. How did you cost reduce?
So yeah, Sunil, you want to try?
No, sir, this is
You can mention if you don't know. You can mention what I said. Actually, I'm not aware about this. You can tell like this as well. Okay, tell me that.
actually I was not aware of this, and
Super. Okay, that's it. It's okay. You even though if you mention this point, it's okay because you are participating. I want that. Shall we check the answers?
yes,
Okay.
Super. You need to like you respond like this. Yeah, we will check. Let's check.
okay,
How do you enable and use detailed monitoring for an EC2 instance? So go to EC2 console, select the instance, click actions, monitor and troubleshoot, then manage detailed monitoring, then enable detailed monitoring. That's it. Yes or no? Next time whenever I ask you, you just tell okay, I will go to my EC2 console, I will select the EC2 instance. There will be, I will click on actions. There is a monitor and troubleshoot. There I will select on manage detailed monitoring, then I will enable that. Okay.
okay,
What is the use of detailed monitoring? You can see the CPU and disk utilization, network utilization metrics in CloudWatch. Okay, you can create a CloudWatch alarm based on detailed metrics. So explain the concept of EC2 placement group and their types. There are three placement groups: cluster, spread, partition. So EC2 placement groups are used to influence the placement of instances to meet specific requirement. Depending upon your requirement, there you will use that type of placement group. Packs instance close together into single availability zone for low latency network performance, ideal for high performance computing. So a cluster placement group will be used for single availability zones. Spread placement group distributes instances across distinct hardware to reduce concurrent failure, ideal for availability required high availability. What is high availability? If you are working on multiple availability zones, that is high availability. If it is single availability zone, it is not high availability because that availability zone got fail. Availability zone is nothing but one data center. If one data center will fail, your application will stop working. Okay, is it high available? No, right?
no,
But it is high performance. Their performance will be better because everything will perform like present in one's location. So obviously they will perform well or not. But high availability will be different. High availability nothing but you will be having multiple data centers. So partition nothing but divides instance into logical segments like called partitions, each on distinct hardware, ideal for large distributed and replicated workloads like Hadoop. Nothing but what you will get a specific hardware for you. Only for you, you will get a specific hardware. In that hardware, application will be deployed. Okay, and that one it will be used for like Hadoop. Like for that, you can use this type of partition. Partition nothing but partition placement group. In that itself, you are getting partition. You will have your own hardware. So how to attach an existing EBS volume to running EC2 instance? You will go to EC2 console, navigate to Elastic Block Store. You will go to volumes, You will select the volume and you will attach that volume. Okay, you will select, click actions, attach volume. You will select the instance and you will give the device name type, click attach. Okay, you will go to your EBS section. There you will go to volumes. You will select that volumes. You will attach that volume to your EC2 instance. Once you are attached to the volume to the EC2 instance, then you will log into your EC2 instance. Then you will execute lsblk to verify that new volumes was getting or not. Then after you will create a file system using make file system. Okay, then you will mount the volume using mount command. These are the steps you will do. In the interview, if they ask you, just what you will do, you just after this interview, just Google it or whatever it may be, check how to attach a ABS volume, check out the steps, practice it, do practical. Okay, in the next interview, whenever they ask, you can explain that if you practice. Yes or no?
Yes.
So what are the benefits of using elastic file system with EC2 instance? So you will be having scalability, nothing but you can automatically scale in up and down of files are added. Nothing but elastic file system. What is EFS? It is a network file system. Network file system, nothing but you can attach this EFS to multiple EC2 instances, right? So I told you, right, NFS protocol, network file system. So you will be having high availability. NFS protocol accessible using NFS protocol, you make it easy to integrate various applications, right? In one EC2 instance there will be one application, another EC2 instance might be another application, so that you can deal multiple applications. You will be having shared storage. I told you, right, network file system is nothing but shared storage. Allows multiple EC2 instances to access the same file system simultaneously. Pay only for storage used without pre-provisioning. Nothing but you will pay only for that particular storage whatever you have used. Then after I've asked you what is easy to spot fleet, how does it optimize cost? So easy to spot fleet, nothing but spot instances, right? Allows you to request a combination of on-demand and spot instances to meet a specific target capacity. Use spot instances to lower cost while maintaining a baseline on-demand instances for stability. Automatically replaces interrupted spot instances to maintain target capacity, right? Enable specifying instance type diversification to optimize cost performance ratio. Nothing but spot fleet, nothing but it will take combination of on demand instances and spot instances. Okay, if you want to have a lower cost, you will prefer spot instances. So this is what about this mock interview. I will stop the recording.